Breanna, a proud kitty ranger. Just like the kitty rangers in Gabby's Dollhouse, the movie.
Kitty Rangers. Meow, 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 meow.
Today I'm working on earning a wildlife badge to add to my sash. I have an idea! There's so many meowsing birds in my garden. What if I do 3 special things for them to earn my badge? Let's give it a go. First, I'm going to plant a flower that attracts birds. Flowers provide birds with food like nectar, seeds, and insects. It's so beautiful. They're going to love this. Task 1 complete. Oh, I know what I can do next. I can turn this into a bird bath. Bird baths are super important for our feathered friends. They give them a nice spot to cool off, get a drink, and keep their feathers nice and clean. Hey, this kind of reminds me of Mercat's aquarium.
I feel like I'm going fast. Now let's go find Mercat. You look amazing. You too, buddy.
Hey, Mercat! Splish, splash, splish, splash. Bubble-tastic. We've given our birds a safe place to eat and bathe. But birds need a nap too. Will you help me turn this into a cat-tastic birdhouse that looks like Gabby's Dollhouse? Great, let's do it! Yay! We're gonna need bird-safe paint, paintbrushes, a pencil, stencils, and some garden decorations. My favorite thing about Gabby's Dollhouse is the kitty right above the door. I'm gonna paint that kitty right here. Hey, the shape of the kitty face looks like half of a circle. Let's use the circle stencil to help us outline it. Can you help me find the circle stencil? Great job! Place the stencil just like this and trace the top of the circle with a pencil. Can you help me pick which stencil best matches the shape of Kitty's ears? The triangles! Now it's time to get painting. Let's start by painting the cat pink. And while we're using pink, let's also paint the sides of the roof, around the door, and the bird rest. Beautiful! While the pink parts dry, let's add all our blue. Once all the paint is completely dried, it's time to add the cute kitty face and whiskers. On Gabby's Dollhouse, the kitty above the door has 6 colorful whiskers. I painted some garden sticks the same color as Kitty's whiskers. Orange, blue, yellow, pink, another yellow, and purple. Cat-tastic! Gabby's Dollhouse isn't complete without the kitty ears, of course. One looks like a beautiful galaxy of colors, and one is black and white, just like Pandy.
Detail upon detail.
Finally, I'm going to decorate the sides by adding some stick windows and flowers. Look how cute! If I were a bird, I would be so happy to make my nest in a birdhouse like this. Let's go hang it up. Hey, look! My wildlife badge! I can't wait to add this to my sash. And I couldn't have done it without your help. For more Kitty Ranger adventures, you can catch Gabby's Dollhouse, the movie, in theaters on September 26th. Bye!